Today we start with another subtopic of the probability, that is the random variables and its probability distribution. In the probability distribution, we take all the cases which can occur for the given events, and that we take the probability distribution. Let us explain with you with the help of example. Example number 24. Two cards are drawn successively with replacement, not without replacement. With replacement means we are not taking two cards randomly, so we don't apply combination here. From a vegetable deck of the 52 cards, find the probability distribution of the number of aces. Aces हिंदी में जिसे हम इक्का बोलते हैं. So there are 4 aces in the card. Now what do we take here? First of all, we have to take the two cards and we have to find the probability distribution of the number of aces here. For the probability of ace, there are 4 cards out of 52, and probability of non-ace, it is 48 upon 52, that is 1 upon 13, and it is 12 upon 13. Let us take a variable x here. Let x be a random variable. We will take as it as 0, 1 or 2. 0, 1, 2 denotes no ace out of 2 cards. 1 card of ace and 1 is another card. Both cards are of ace is represented by 2 here. So probability of x is equal to 0 means no card of ace out of 2 cards. ठीक है, नो कार्ड्स ऑफ एस, कोई कार्ड एस का नहीं है. चलो इतना ले लेते हैं खाली इसके अंदर नो कार्ड्स ऑफ एस. तो आपने पहला कार्ड लिया, नॉन एस कार्ड है, 48 अपॉन 52. 48 अपॉन 52 या कह सकते हैं 12 अपॉन 13 इंटू 12 अपॉन 13 गिव्स 144 अपॉन 169. probability of x is equal to 1. It means that probability one card is ace and second is other card. Now one card is of ace means first card is of ace, it's 4 upon 52. Other is non-ace card, or you can say first card is of ace and other is, first card is non-ace and other is the card of ace. 1 upon 13, 12 upon 13, 12 upon 13, 1 upon 13, 12 upon 169, that is 24 upon 169. Further, probability of x is equal to, it indicates both cards are of ace, means 4 upon 52 into 4 upon 52, it's 1 upon 169. So required, एक मिनट से सही करते हैं, probability distribution table is x as 0, 1 and 2. probability of x 0 पे कितनी है, 144 upon 169. 1 पे कितना, it is 24 upon 169 और ये 1 upon 169. That is the probability distribution table. तो जितने केसेस हमने सारे इसके अंदर लिए एंड वी हैव प्रिपेयर द टेबल हियर. और लेते हैं यहाँ पर अगला एग्जांपल ये ले लेते हैं. लेट्स जस्ट टेक द एग्जांपल 25. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डबलेट्स इन 3 थ्रोज ऑफ पेयर ऑफ डाइज. पेयर ऑफ डाइज में आप 3 थ्रो फेंक रहे हैं. पहले पेयर ऑफ डाइज फेंका, फिर पेयर ऑफ डाइज, फिर पेयर ऑफ डाइज मीन्स एक पेयर ऑफ डाइज में 36 केसेस होते हैं एंड दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डबलेट्स. डबलेट्स मतलब means in both rows of both dices we get either 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 or 6 6. so यहाँ पे लिख के चलते हैं probability of doublet in throw of पेयर ऑफ डाइज, क्या आएगा 6/36। टोटल पेयर ऑफ डाइज में 36 केसेस होंगे। वी फॉर्म द 36 ordered pairs, out of which 6 are of doublets, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. You can write it 1/6. So no doublets, कितने आ जाएंगे 1 minus 1/6, that is 5/6. कितने थ्रो फेंक रहे हैं? There are 3 throws. 3 थ्रो फेंक रहे हैं, तो therefore let x is equal to 0 1 2 and 3, which indicates तीनों थ्रो में एक बार भी आपके पास जो है डबलेट नहीं आया। यू गेट वन डबलेट आइदर इन द फर्स्ट थ्रो, इन सेकंड थ्रो और इन द थर्ड थ्रो। ऐसे ही आपके पास x2 है तो दो आपके पास डबलेट्स आ रहे हैं इन टू थ्रोस, आइदर इन द फर्स्ट और सेकंड, फर्स्ट और थर्ड, और सेकंड और थर्ड। और 3 में क्या आएगा? ऑल इन द ऑल 3 थ्रोस वी गेट द पेयर ऑफ डबलेट्स। सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स no doublets in 3 throws of pair of dice। नहीं आ रहा है तो कितना आएगा? 5/6, 5/6, then 5/6 gives you 125/216। Same probability of x is equal to 1 means 1 time doublet in 3 throws of pair of dice। तो मानते हैं कि फर्स्ट थ्रो में डबलेट आया तो कितना 1/6 और बाकी थ्रोज में नहीं आया 5/6 5/6, या फिर सेकंड थ्रो में आ गया फर्स्ट और थर्ड थ्रो में नहीं आ रहा है। Second throw we are getting a pair of doublets, then or we get a doublet in the third throw only, so it becomes 25/216 3 times। आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इसको, कटिंग कर सकते हैं, छोड़ना चाहें छोड़ सकते हैं 75/216 because 3 get divided with the 216 divides 216, so probability of x is equal to 2 here, means probability of 2 times doublet in 3 throws of pair of dice, that is 1/6 1/6 into 5/6 means in first 2 throw we get a doublet and in third throw we are not getting a doublet, or in first we got doublet, in second we don't get, or in third we get the doublet, then again in first we don't get the doublet, then in last 2 we get the doublet in a 3 throw of pair of dice, that is 5/216, it is 3 times 15/216। so required probability distribution is, अच्छा अभी ये रह गया 3 का रह गया हमारे पास। so probability of x3, that is probability of 3 times doublet in 3 throws, ये भी कह सकते हैं in all throws of pair of dice, it's 1/6 1/6 1/6 gives you 1/216। so required probability distribution is given by x is 0 1 2 and 3, probability of x is given by 125/216, 75/216, this one is 15/216 and it's 1/216। ठीक है। There are certain topics which are cut from your this chapter for this year, that is the mean, variance, they are cut from your topic, moreover binomial. You can do the question number 2, question number 3. Simply in the question number 2, question number 3 of the exercise 13.4, you have to write the value of the x, which is the random variable, as we can have 0, 1, 2 or 0, 1, 2, 3. Then question number 4, 5, 6. You can try up to the question number 6. We'll discuss more questions on this topic in your next lecture. And then, till then, thank you.